What's going on, y'all? Meatless Monday in full effect once again. And today, we're doing a sweet potato, black bean, mushroom burrito. Oh yeah, and it's gonna be so tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So let's go ahead and chop the ends off our sweet potatoes right quick. And while we at it, we might as well cut them ends off that onion and get it peeled. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and set our sweet potatoes to the side, and we're gonna go ahead and dice this onion. We're gonna move those onions to the side. We're gonna go ahead and get our sweet potato peeled. And I like to peel mine straight into the trash can. Sometimes you can get you a plastic bag, sometimes I peel it into that. And let's go ahead and get our bell pepper diced up. After we get everything diced, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil into our pan. And we're gonna get our onions and our bell peppers into our pan. Get this quick toss. Then of course we got a rain on. Gotta hit them with salt. Little pepper. I need to go ahead and refill this pepper, y'all. I need some out. Let's go ahead and give that a quick mix so we can combine those flavors. And while that's cooking down, we're gonna dice up our sweet potato so we can get this into our fryer. Cause oh yeah, we're gonna fry these sweet potatoes. Gonna fry them. Once we get those fried diced up, we're gonna get them into our fryer at 300 degrees. Our oil is at 300 degrees, y'all. And we're gonna fry these diced sweet potatoes on up. You want it 300 degrees, that way it cooks slower, get a better crunch, and a chewier inside, in my opinion. Now back to our diced onions and bell peppers. We're gonna go ahead and add in our black beans. Give that a quick mix. Then we're gonna toss in our mushroom. Give that a mix. Now to this, we're gonna add in some garlic. These are great little spices that you can pick up at Aldi. I love them. And then also we're gonna add in a little tomato sauce. Now me, I'm just using the smallest can of tomato sauce that you can buy in the store. I think it's what, 7 ounces. And we're gonna give that a quick mix. And then we got a 1/4 cup of water. And we're gonna mix that on together. Let that cook for about 2-3 minutes. And guess what? It's gonna be time to eat. So let's build our burrito. We got our rice. Now let's add in our beans and mushrooms. Our fried sweet potatoes. And of course you gotta have some cheese. And I went with cheddar cheese, y'all. But of course, as always, you can use whatever kind of cheese you want. And we had to hit it with a little bit of that sweet bell pepper sauce. Of course, if you don't know about that sweet bell pepper sauce, check out the video. I'll put a link above so you can check out that sweet bell pepper sauce video. So once we get our burrito rolled up, we're gonna get it into our pan and we're gonna toast both sides, y'all. Both sides. Get that nice crunch on the outside. You get them crunch of that sweet potato. And oh yeah, this is what our finished product look like, y'all. Oh my goodness, don't that look good? So I had me a little sweet bell pepper sauce on the side. So let me get a little dippy dip. And oh my goodness, this was tasty. But y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.